Today, during the governor's briefing, which took place about an hour ago, I was able to ask Tennessee Governor Bill Lee why he has not yet made a decision to issue a shelter-at-home or shelter-in-place order for the state of Tennessee, despite some pleas that he do so.
There is not a one-size-fits-all policy in this country for what is the best way to approach this. And what's happening in a rural county or in your district is different than what's happening in downtown Nashville.
Well, Governor Lee's plan to stop the spread of COVID-19 is not without criticism.
Some Democrats are saying that they're not happy with the way it's being handled. State Capitol Newsroom reporter Chris Bungard reports some more voices are coming from doctors on the front lines.
A vocal group of Middle Tennessee doctors say more action from Governor Bill Lee is needed desperately.
Governor Lee's failure to issue a stay-at-home order is essentially allowing the pandemic to spread through communities nearly unchecked.
The number of doctors, nurses, and everyday Tennesseans signing a petition wanting a stay-at-home order grows by the moment. One doctor hopes social distancing in her own home helps a loved one.
My husband is an anesthesiologist at Vanderbilt, and we are aware that there's a very high likelihood that he will be COVID positive in the future. So much so that he lives in a separate room in our home.
Those signing the petition plead with the governor to take bolder action on the stay-at-home order except for essential services like food and medicine or work and jobs deemed essential.
If we were to have any chance at defeating this with the least loss of life possible, then we need a stay-at-home order done yesterday. Every day that we delay on this, Governor Lee, please, is additional lives lost.
And until we can get a stay-at-home order statewide, people are still out mingling and mixing, and not everybody realizes that this is a silent, deadly killer that we're already 2 weeks behind.
The pleas come after the governor received a 3-page letter from Tennessee legislative Democrats this week outlining their call for action and saying while we appreciate many of the steps that have been announced this week, it's unclear how these steps constitute a coherent, comprehensive strategy to contain the pandemic. Reporting from the state capitol, Chris Bungard.